Hi, let us discuss 300 series. Essay 300 Planning of Audit Financial Statement. What are the objective, importance, benefit of audit planning? What are the area to be covered in an audit plan? Write a notes on factors affecting form, content and extent of audit plan. A and company was appointed as auditors of Jet Airways Limited. As an audit partner, what are the factors shall be considered in developing an overall audit plan? Essay 215, very important, identifying and assessing risk of material misstatement. Write a notes on auditor's risk, define the term assertion. How can auditor use information obtained in the prior period in his current audit under Essay 315? From where and how auditors obtain the knowledge of business of the client to enable him to develop an overall audit plan. What are the matters to be considered while obtaining knowledge of the business for the new audit engagement of a manufacturing concern? Under Essay 315, the auditor shall obtain an understanding of entity and its environment. What aspects of environment should the auditor cover in this regard? How could you assess the reliability of internal control systems in a computerized information system? Auditor shall obtain an understanding with respect to the internal control relevant to the audit. List auditor's duty in respect of obtaining an understanding of entity's internal control system. IT system pose specific risk to the entity's internal controls. What are those IT risks? Delegation of financial powers need to be gone through and understood before commencement of entity's audit. Explain internal control. Write a notes on evaluation of inherent risk at the level of financial statement. Explain auditor's duty in identifying and assessing risk of material misstatement. What is the substantive procedure to be adopted to assess the risk of material misstatement? Write a notes on material misstatement at the level of assertion and financial statement level. Write a notes on assertions about balance at the end of reporting period. In audit planning process of X, you would like to consider the audit risk at financial statement level. What are the factors to be considered? Give relevant assertion for following items appearing in the balance sheet of a limited company: cash on hand, secured loan, investment, machinery, less depreciation net value. Essay 320 Materiality in Planning and Performing Audit. Write a notes on audit materiality. Write a note on performance materiality. Outline the meaning of materiality in accounting and auditing. At what stage in audit should the concept of materiality be applied? Explain the relationship between materiality and audit risk. Explain auditor's duty under Essay 320 with respect to materiality at planning stage and performance stage. List few indicators of materiality. Mr. X was appointed as an auditor of EC Go Limited and intended to apply the concept of materiality for financial statement as a whole. Please guide him as to the factors that may affect the identification of appropriate benchmark for his purpose. Let us move Essay 330 Auditor's overall response to the assessed risk of material misstatement. Brief a note on test of control and test of details. Explain nature, timing and extent of an audit. In the course of an audit of said limited, is auditor want to rely on audit evidence obtained in the previous audit in respect of the effectiveness and efficiency of internal control instead of retesting the same during the current year? As an advisor to the auditor, kindly caution him about factors that may warrant a changes in the test of control. Go ROMM and understand if there is significant change. This is our discussion of 300